Traveling light is more than just packing a smaller suitcase. It's about embracing a mindset of simplicity and intentionality. Imagine navigating bustling airports with ease, your energy focused on the excitement of the journey ahead. That's the beauty of minimalist travel. It's about carrying less and experiencing more. You become more adaptable to unexpected detours and spontaneous adventures. You're free to wander off the beaten path and discover hidden gems. Minimalist travel encourages you to prioritize experiences over acquisitions. Embrace the minimalist travel philosophy and discover a world of enriching experiences that await. Packing light is a skill honed through experience and a little planning. Be ruthlessly selective about what you pack, choosing items that serve multiple purposes. Start by laying out everything you think you need, then cut it in half. Opt for neutral colors that can be easily dressed up or down with accessories. A pair of comfortable walking shoes can take you from exploring ancient ruins to enjoying a night out. Packing cubes compress your clothes, maximize space, and keep your suitcase organized. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to prevent wrinkles and further maximize space. By packing light, you'll breeze through airports and gain a sense of liberation throughout your journey. You'll be amazed at how little you actually need when you prioritize experiences over material possessions. When it comes to toiletries, less is definitely more. Embrace the power of multi-use products. A good quality all-in-one soap can be used for washing your body, hair, and even your clothes. Downsize your toiletries by transferring them into travel-sized containers or using solid alternatives. Stick to the basics like pain relievers, bandages, antiseptic wipes, and any personal medications. A reusable water bottle is an essential item for any minimalist traveler. Fill it up at water fountains or ask restaurants to refill it for you. By packing only the essentials and embracing multi-use products, you'll lighten your load and minimize your impact on the environment. You'll be surprised at how liberating it feels to travel with less. In today's digital age, our smartphones have become indispensable travel companions. With the right apps, your smartphone can replace bulky guidebooks, paper maps, and even your wallet. Download travel apps that offer offline maps, phrasebooks, currency converters, and city guides. Ebooks have revolutionized the way we read, and they're a minimalist traveler's dream. Instead of lugging around heavy books, load up your e-reader with a variety of titles. Consider investing in noise-canceling headphones for a more peaceful travel experience. These are especially useful for long flights or train rides, allowing you to block out distractions. By embracing digital minimalism, you can streamline your travel experience and stay connected without being weighed down by unnecessary gadgets. Choosing the right destination can greatly enhance the minimalist travel experience. Look for places that emphasize simplicity, natural beauty, and authentic cultural experiences. Instead of bustling cities, consider exploring remote villages, coastal towns, or national parks. Slow travel is a growing trend that aligns perfectly with minimalist values. Instead of trying to cram as much as possible into a short trip, slow travel encourages you to choose one destination and truly immerse yourself. Nature-based destinations are ideal for minimalist travelers seeking tranquility and rejuvenation. Lace up your hiking boots and explore breathtaking mountain trails, kayak through serene lakes, or relax on pristine beaches. Connecting with nature allows you to disconnect from the digital world and appreciate the simple things in life. Seek out destinations that offer opportunities for personal growth, cultural immersion, and a deeper connection with nature. Minimalist travel is more than just a packing strategy. It's a philosophy that extends to all aspects of the journey. It's about being present in each moment, appreciating the simple things, and embracing the unexpected. By shedding the weight of material possessions, you open yourself up to a world of new experiences and perspectives. The flexibility afforded by minimalist travel allows you to seize unexpected opportunities. You're free to wander, explore, and discover hidden gems. Traveling light also encourages a more sustainable approach to tourism. By packing less, you reduce your carbon footprint and minimize your impact on the environment. Ultimately, minimalist travel is about embracing a simpler, more intentional way of exploring the world. So, pack light, travel far, and experience the joy of living fully in the moment.